We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP OfficeJet Pro 8710. So first thing that you want to do is after you have started your print and you get your jam, the first place you want to check is in the back. Go ahead and press on these little tabs here, and you should see it here. If you can't, go ahead and pull this little guy out here, and then you should be able to see it right there. Gently lift and pull up and out. You never want to yank it, because if you do, it could rip off a piece of paper, get stuck in there, and then cause future jams, or it could damage a sensor. So you want to go ahead and put this guy back in there. The only other place that you could have a paper jam would be in here, and it would be sticking out right here, so you just would pull it gently out. Like I said, you never want to yank it out or just, pull it really fast or hard, because you could damage a sensor and cause future paper jams. So if you guys are in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.